Did you know you can monitor devices without installing software? Imagine having the ability to oversee all your devices remotely, hassle-free. This is called remote monitoring. Remote monitoring lets you keep an eye on various devices. This includes computers, network devices, and even IoT devices. You can track performance and security without any software. First, let's discuss the technology behind remote monitoring. Most remote monitoring solutions use a web interface. This allows access from anywhere using a web browser. Next, we have sensors and data collectors. These gather information from devices. They send this data to the remote monitoring system. This means no need for physical access to install software. Another important aspect is security. Remote monitoring provides encryption. This ensures your data is safe during transmission. You can monitor your devices without risks. Let's take an example. Imagine managing a fleet of delivery trucks. With remote monitoring, you can track their locations, fuel usage, and maintenance needs. All this done without any software installation in the trucks. In summary, remote monitoring simplifies device oversight. You get real-time data while ensuring security. It's efficient and easy without the hassle of software. Ready to streamline your monitoring process? Start exploring remote monitoring solutions today and stay connected effortlessly.